The APEX standalone indicator system was designed with the operator in mind. This system features a user-friendly interface that streamlines navigation, saving you both time and effort. The buttons on the right side of the display are for menu navigation. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options. These buttons also allow you to increase or decrease numeric fields. Use the selection button to choose the options within the menu. After making your selections, press the menu button again to return to the main operating screen. Now that you know how to navigate, let's explore the available options. On the main operating screen, we are currently displaying one anti-2-block switch and one wind speed sensor. In the Display Configuration menu, you can customize what is shown on your display to fit your specific needs. For example, let's change our settings to display the status of one anti-2-block switch. After returning to the main screen, you'll see the battery status, signal strength, and the functional status of the switch. If you go back to the display menu, you can also choose to display two anti-2-block switches. Next, let's display the status of the wind speed sensor. When you select this option and return to the main screen, you'll see the battery status and signal strength, along with a numerical value showing the current wind speed. Now let's return to the display menu and select two anti-2-block switches and one wind speed, which is the maximum number of sensors you can display. On the main screen, the first anti-2-block switch will be displayed in the top left, the second in the bottom left, and the wind speed sensor on the right. The brightness of the display can also be adjusted by selecting System, and then the Display Bright menu. Use the up and down buttons to set the screen to your desired brightness. You can also customize the units of measure for the wind speed. Navigate to the System menu, where you'll find the option to choose between miles per hour or meters per second. The system also allows you to set the limits for the wind speed sensor. To do this, go to System, then choose Limit and select Adjust Limit. Use the up and down buttons to increase or decrease the limit value. To enable audible alarms, navigate to the Buzzer menu. Here you can activate alarms for the anti-2-block switches and the wind speed sensor. An alarm can also be set for errors such as a lost connection. In this example, we'll activate all audible alarms. An X will appear in each box indicating that the alarms have been set. Once activated, if the wind speed exceeds the limit, an alarm will sound. The system also features digital outputs. Digital output 1 is always set to all connected anti-2-block sensors and cannot be reconfigured. Digital output 2 can be configured to activate when either an anti-2-block switch is triggered or a wind speed limit is reached. To configure digital output 2, select it from the menu. You can set the output to multiple options: anti-2-block switch, wind speed sensor, or a combination of both. The digital output feature can be bypassed at any time by pressing the bypass button. Enhance efficiency and optimize performance in your application with the APEX standalone indicator system.